What's up guys? In this video today, I'm going to be walking you through how to actually reach your first $20,000 a month while also being able to unlock time freedom, location freedom, and eventually financial freedom. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive straight in. So the first thing you need to understand is that you need to incorporate the right mindset into your life. Because right now, if you're living with the scarcity mindset or you don't even think it's possible to hit 20,000 months, then you're not ever going to be able to get there. And with your mindset as well, you need to understand that you are what you think about. So if you think 20,000 a month isn't even possible, you're gonna be holding yourself back and making every single excuse you can to why you can't even hit it in the first place, which you need to let go of immediately. And then the next step is being able to be exactly clear on why you even want to hit $20,000 a month, just because you don't have to. You can stay at $5,000 a month. You can stay at $3,000 a month, you can stay at $10,000 a month, you can stay there forever. But to reach that next level, you need to ask yourself, why do you want to get there? Because if you don't have a sense of why, or you're not even clear on where you want to go in life, you're gonna be going through life aimlessly without any purpose or place, and you're just gonna follow what everyone else is telling you, or follow the crowd and just do what everyone else is doing. And then of course, you need to surround yourself with people who are levels above you in life. So right now, let's just say you're making $5,000 a month. You want to surround yourself with people who are making $10,000, $20,000, $50,000 a month. So that way you're hanging around people who are levels above you. So that way you can ultimately level up yourself. Because it's very likely that right now you are surrounded by a lot of losers at the moment, people who are drinking, smoking weed. They don't really have anything going for their lives, and that'll ultimately be your life as well, because it's absolutely true that you're the average of the 5 people you hang around. So if the 5 average people you're hanging around right now, they have nothing going for them, they're doing nothing to move the needle forward in their life, then it's very likely you're doing the exact same thing. So you need to ask yourself this very, very hard question and ask yourself, like, are the friends that you're hanging around right now, are they helping you level up, or are they helping you tear yourself down? And if it's option B, they're helping you tear yourself down and help you move the needle forward down, grinding in the wrong direction, then it's very obvious that you need to find new friends and a new network to surround yourself with, so that way you can take that next step in life to actually level up. And that's exactly what happened to me. Back home in the States, in my hometown, I was surrounded by people who were like in the 9 to 5, they were in university, everyone was playing video games, smoking weed. No one really wanted to get to that next level, and thus I was stuck at that same level as them, just because that's all I knew, that's all I was surrounded by, in turn which led me to the life that I had back then, where I wasn't even able to travel, I wasn't able to make money with remote sales, and I was just stuck working at Red Lobster, racetrack, and just living that mediocre lifestyle. But since I came out here to Bangkok and I surrounded myself with people making $10,000 a month, $20,000 a month, $50,000 a month and onwards, I was able to ultimately level up myself and was able to scale to $10,000 a month and then $15,000 a month, $20,000 a month and more. And that was because I was able to change my circle and surround myself with people who were better than me, so I could better myself and take myself to that next level in life. And then the next step is to kind of look at your life right now and go through your day, get a notepad out and a pen and write down what you do on a day-to-day basis. Look at your habits, look at your actions, look at what inputs you're doing in life. Because if you're doing the wrong inputs, if you're drinking, if you're smoking, if you're working in the wrong vehicle, like a 9 to 5, those things, those actions, those inputs, they'll never be able to get that output of $20,000 a month. And with the actions that you're doing on a day-to-day basis, you need to be very honest with yourself. Like, meditating, going to the gym, taking cold showers, doing all of these things that are kind of pointless in terms of like financial gain. You need to incorporate and start doing the actions and inputs that it actually takes to move the needle forward and to find that goal of yours where you're able to make $20,000 a month. Because all life is, all this universe is input equals output. And if you're doing the wrong inputs, you're gonna get the wrong output. And this just means as well that you need to cut out the fat, AKA the vices, where you need to cut out everything that's holding you back, whether it be drinking, smoking weed, hanging around the wrong crowd, hanging with a bunch of girls all the time, going to parties. Those things will never help you reach $10,000 a month, $15,000 a month or onwards. And I can even say for myself, back when I was in my hometown, I was doing the exact same thing. I was just taking cold showers, meditating, journaling every single day. And I wasn't even doing any inputs to actually make money. So of course, I was like, okay, well, I'm moving the needle forward with meditating, journaling, doing cold showers, but it's not helping me make any money whatsoever. So that's when I switched my actions to learning a very high income skill, which is sales, which I've been able to incorporate online into remote sales, where I'm able to close deals anywhere in the world, anytime, as long as I have a phone, laptop, Wi-Fi, so that way I can actually live the life that I've always wanted, which is being able to travel while printing at the exact same time. And what helped me the most in terms of getting to $20,000 a month is investing in myself, learning from someone who's already at that point, and learning what they're doing, what they're not doing, what's right, what's wrong in their life, like how are they thinking, and incorporating that into my life so that way I can reach that mark myself and fast track the progress of skipping out on all the troubles and hardships that mentor had to go through. So that was something that really helped me out in terms of fast tracking my progress, because if I had just done it all on my own, it probably would have taken me 5 years instead of just 2 years in terms of actually getting to $20,000 a month. Now, of course, if you don't have any money or if you don't have any mentors right now, you can of course look online. You can go around, go to the high level places, go to very high level coffee shops, clubs, dinners, find people that you think are very high level, go up to them, have a conversation, ask them what they do, how they do it. And that way you can find out like what vehicle they're in, so that way you can maybe hop in that vehicle for yourself. So you can go to where they are in life and attain that lifestyle that they have, the money that they have. So that way you can just copy and paste what they're doing and just live that life for yourself. And then last but not least, you of course need to be very consistent. You need to never give up. Always have that persistence and consistency in terms of the actions and mindset that you need in order to reach that $20,000 a month. Just because a lot of people, they go from e-commerce to remote sales to day trading, they keep bouncing around. And with every single business, all of them work. But the thing is, it's the people that fail that renders them not to reach that goal of $20,000 a month and to be successful in that business. So whatever business model you choose, whether it be remote sales, day trading, e-commerce, TikTok shop, whatever it may be, you need to just stick with it until it works. Because if you keep bouncing around, you're gonna go through this very, very like roller coaster type of progress where you have very increased optimism at the beginning. You're going up, and then of course it gets hard, because if all these businesses were easy, everyone would be successful, but every business is incredibly difficult. So it's gonna be an upward slope in terms of your optimism, your hope, and then of course that hardship will come, the roadblocks will come, but that's when you just need to stick with it through those hard times, so that way you break through and reach the other side where you're actually able to become successful. So guys, that's pretty much everything in this video today. Just acquired a new camera, so getting used to it at the moment. It's quite hot in here, so my brain is a little bit overloaded, but hopefully you guys enjoyed. You got some value for today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. And if you guys are very interested in what I do, I'm a remote closer. I'm able to close deals anywhere in the world with high ticket sales. And what I do right now on the side, I'm able to help people just because I have so much time on my hands. So if you're interested in learning how to acquire the right gold mine offer for yourself, where you're able to make $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 a month anywhere in the world, what you can do, there's a link down below. You can book a call with me. We can just have a quick chat just to see if I can help. I can't really help everyone, but if I can help you, I'll walk you through the next steps on what it actually takes to become either an appointment setter or a closer anywhere in the world. And all you guys need is, of course, a mouth, brain, heart that beats, a phone, laptop, whatever it may be, and at least some Wi-Fi. So that way you're able to actually take calls as either an appointment setter or a closer. And then of course, kind of gain you the right skills that you need and the right vehicle that you need in order to reach that $10,000 a month anywhere in the world. So without further ado, guys, if you're interested in that, link is down below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. It's been an absolute pleasure, and I will see you guys tomorrow.